Hey, it's Garrick and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I make videos on modifying my Tesla Model Y, reviewing Tesla, tech, and of course cell phone accessories. In this video today, we're going to be reviewing one accessory that's designed for the Tesla and also for the cell phone. MagBak sent me over their wireless charger for me to review and install into my Tesla Model Y, so we're going to check this out in a little bit. But before we begin, I want to go over a little bit about MagBak. If you don't know who MagBak is, MagBak make a lot of great cell phone accessories with super strong magnets, which is pretty cool. Recently, they started making some Tesla accessories, which is the wireless charger and also the MagBak rim case. Now, if you haven't seen that video, you can check that out right over here. I actually installed it like literally 30 days after he got the Tesla, and he already scratched his rims. So this is actually going to help protect his rims. And I also done a video on their cell phone and their wallet case, and you can check that out right over here. And to be honest with you, it's been one of my daily drivers and I'm loving this setup, so definitely check that out. Let's take a quick look on the MagBak wireless charger. Beautiful packaging, as you can see here, nice and simple. And if you can look here in the back, it's actually going to be mounted right behind the screen. With this particular setup, you're going to be able to mount your cell phone between the steering wheel and also the display, so which is pretty cool. So let's open this real quick, really simple. As you can see, this is the charger. It's going to be mounted with 3M tape, and it actually comes with extra tape just in case that you need to change it or maneuver it, or if you've got a new Tesla Model Y or you upgrade to a Model 3, whatever the case may be, this will transfer over to your next car. And also it comes with the power outlet right over here. And also the cable is a USB-C cable, so you can also charge it directly into your USB-C port. So this is a pretty cool setup. Let's go hop into the car and let's get this installed. All right, follow me. All right, so we're going to do the installation for the MagBak wireless charger, which is super simple. It is actually going to mount right over here behind the screen. We're going to run the wiring down. We're going to tuck it into here, and then we're going to install the charger inside here. But the thing is that I already have something here in my charger. I do have one of these Rundo chargers here. So we're going to install it into the Rundo charger. And then I actually have the switch actually right over here, and we'll actually able to turn everything on and off, and I'll show you the installation. All right, let's go do this. So it comes with alcohol pads. So we're going to clean the back part of the screen and top of the screen. By doing so, it's going to allow the double-sided tape to stick really well to the back of the screen. Now it does come with extra double-sided tape, just in case that you have to maneuver it or change it to another car. You can definitely do that. All right, take that off. We're going to slide everything just like that. We're going to hold it down for a good 30 seconds to make sure it's nice and secure. And then plus with the heat and all that, it's going to make it stick really well too. So next we're going to do is we're going to run the wiring, and I'm going to show you some great tips on how to hide the wiring where it's actually not noticeable. All right, so we're going to tuck this wire. We're going to tuck everything right in here. And we're going to tuck everything in here as well. We really don't want to show the wire at all. And then we're going to bring it all the way to here. And then from that point, we're going to wire everything inside here without having the wire being shown. And all we're going to need is a T20 screwdriver. And we're also going to need one of these trim tools. All the wires are all tucked in, which is pretty nice. We have enough slack that it's going to be able to go inside to the center console. In order to finalize the installation, we're going to take this panel off real quick. Really simple. We're going to pull that out a little bit, and then we're going to take the T20 screwdriver. I'm going to screw this. We're going to unscrew that. We're going to pull the metal bracket out for a little bit so we can slide the cable right over here. We're able to plug everything in directly into the Rundo charger. As you can see here, I've already done it on the other side for another item, and we're going to do the same exact thing for the MagBak wireless charger. All right, let's go do this. All right, so take the T20 screwdriver. We are going to unscrew this. Oops. All right. Now we're going to take the cable, take this out a little bit out. Okay. Run this cable underneath here. And is hidden right there. Perfect. And when putting back the metal bracket, we just got to make sure that there are actually, I'm not sure you can see it, but there are two parts of the felt that has to go into the metal bracket. So you get a little click. All right, beautiful. Now we're gonna screw everything back in. Okay. All right. Put everything back in right there, just like that. Plug in the USB-C into the power adapter supplied by MagBak. So everything's installed. Everything is supposed to be where they need to be. All right, and as you can see here, I actually have the Rundo charger mounted right over here on the armrest, and you can see 1, 2, and 3, and the MagBak's on number 2. All right, and I'm gonna close it up. All right, so let's test this out real quick. Let's drop the phone in. All right, perfect. As you see, it's charging 80%. I do have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it does charge up max capacity up to 80%, just like how you would charge a Tesla, which is great. Brand new feature on the iPhone. But as you can see here, I'm not sure if you saw it, the mount actually grabbed the phone out of my hands, which is great. Super strong magnets on the phone and super strong magnets on the case as well. Pretty good stuff there. I actually love how this setup is. As you can see, I have the yoke steering wheel. I don't have that top portion of the steering wheel that actually blocks a little bit of the screen. So this setup will work really well if you want to use Waze, if you want to use other GPS navigation apps, and or even other music apps that's not available on the Tesla. And great thing about this is you can also go landscape, as you can see here. And I do go on the road a lot. I do travel, visit clients. I can take calls directly here without having to pull over. And this makes my life a little easier, especially when you're on the road. Now, if you're interested in getting the MagBak wireless charger, you could definitely click on the link. And you can also save some money by using my discount code. You can also use the code for the cell phone cases and also save money on the MagBak rim case as well, which you can also check out the video in my description. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them below. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for the support. If you're not a subscriber, click on subscribe and the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on great accessories, not only for your cell phone, but also for your Tesla. All right, everybody, catch you later.